Everyone, what is up and welcome back to my channel, ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill. If you're new to my channel, do not forget to hit that subscribe button as well as give this video a thumbs up at the end if you enjoyed it. And feel free to leave me any comments or questions that you guys may have on this unboxing and review that I'm going to do today. As well as do not forget to hit that notification bell as we have a ton of upcoming videos that you are not going to want to miss. So if you've already guessed it from the beginning intro, that is right. These are the pink foams in the Jordan 5 silhouette. Probably asking yourself, Marissa, why are you doing these shoes? Well, I got to keep you guys on your toes sometimes. Can't be just posting shoes that you guys know I'm going to be posting about. Gotta get deep and dirty into the shoes that not every single person knows about. And I feel like these were one of those shoes that maybe some of you had no clue even launched just a little bit ago. So first off, we are going to jump into an overview of the pink foams. Then we're going to talk about sizing. I know that I'm just trolling you guys out there because not only was this basically a girls exclusive, but on top of that, it only launched in toddler, preschool, and grade school sizes. So guys, I don't know, you might be able to fit a couple of your pinky toes in this one, but for a good majority of you, I don't think you're going anywhere near these shoes. Next up, we are going to hop into some styling, talk about how much fun I had with these. I mean, it's just definitely some different colors that I haven't had in a combination on a shoe before, so very excited to show you guys what that styling looks like. Then we're going to talk about resale and talk about how well these are doing on the resale market currently. All right, let's jump into it. This is what I would describe as a Valentine's Day shoe. So guys, don't sleep on this for the ladies out there, especially if they have smaller feet and can fit in grade school. This, I think, maybe was not the best colorway to be launching at this time, but come February, I feel like this legit is an insane colorway for Valentine's Day. I mean, come on. We got that pink foam color, that gym red going on here. I definitely feel like this is going to be a great pop of color for that month. Maybe not necessarily the fall. I don't know. I'm not really thinking about fall with these different colors that are going on in the shoe. So let's go through it. We have that gym red on the tongue that goes all the way behind the heel here. Got the gym red on that Jumpman logo on the back, and then we've got a nice red Jumpman logo inside with a pop of that pink foam, and it looks like this kind of translucent coloring scheme is that pink foam underneath the laces. They're white. Then we've got the lace lock in that pop of red, as well as the white Jumpman logo on the front of that tongue there. The toe box, of course, is that crisp white leather that wraps around the medial and lateral side. Then as we go down and get into that outsole and midsole area, that's where the colors start to combine with that pop of gym red with the foam pink. And of course, as we see on those Spitfire planes that we're so used to seeing on the Jordan 5 silhouette, we've got that color combo in the gym red and foam pink. And of course, our translucent bottom there where we can see through to that gym red Jumpman right there. And then we've got the nice kind of light, clearish, translucent bubble here that we can see through. And on the inside, we've got that Air Jordan on the back side of that tongue. And there you have it. These are the pink foams. So let's talk about sizing. As far as sizing goes with this specific shoe, again, sorry guys, but hey, this once again could be a great gift for your girls or little kids, who knows? I think it's a great, Valentine color. But it unfortunately only came in toddler, preschool, and grade school sizes. I am one of those fortunate people who has high arches and narrow feet. So I'm able to luckily squeeze into that size 7 grade school sizing, which is equivalent to an 8.5 in women's. And I would say to stick true to your size, I would not have been able to go with a 6.5 on these. I would have had to cut a toe or two off, and we're not having that because I'm a foot model too. Gotta keep my toes looking good. But other than that, stay true to size. These definitely fit similar to all the other Jordan 5s I've done. If you guys haven't seen it yet, check out my Bel Airs because that's a good one. And the Fire Reds. I mean, it can go down the list. We've done so many Jordan 5s at this point that this is just another great color option that I was able to add to that inventory. All right, so now let's jump into some styling. Talk about how we style these Valentine's Day shoes. First up, I chose just kind of a comfier outfit. Threw on a Patagonia fleece that has a nice pop of that gym red coloring scheme with some just simple gray sweatpants. Let me tell you, it was freezing when I was shooting outside, and that Patagonia fleece felt like a t-shirt because that wind was just ripping right through it. But definitely these shoes are going to go amazing with anything red. I don't know, if I had a Valentine's Day dress, I feel like I would rock these in a red and white dress. I would do it. Anything to stay comfy and cozy in my sneakers, I will do.
Hold your horses, it's too cold to read. Face expressions that mean nothing. Dip your sadness in this bowl till you feel minor changes in your body. Everyone's grabbing, all the women are howling, running, everyone's rushing, all the saviors are frowning. Hold your horses, it's too cold to read. Face expressions that mean nothing.
But the next outfit, I chose to rock these with some denim because obviously I think these are gonna go great with denim. I chose a lighter denim with a cropped kind of pant at the bottom, and I wore just a simple black turtleneck because as you guys know, I like me some all black and sometimes dark gray.
I only work in black and sometimes very, very dark gray.
And yeah, that was just a nice casual subtle look that I think really worked well with the coloring scheme and made these shoes just pop and become the statement piece.
Everyone's grabbing, all the women are howling, running, everyone's rushing, all the saviors are frowning. Says it's too cold to read. Face expressions that mean nothing. Dip your sadness in this bowl till you feel minor changes in your body.
Last but not least, I dressed it up. For those of you wondering, can you rock these with a dress? Well, yes, you can. You can rock these with a dress. Of course, that was my favorite all black outfit, and it was a turtleneck, kind of half sleeve or long sleeve dress that I kind of rolled up a little bit and paired that with some nice fur to go on top because once again it was brutally cold outside, but I survived. And I think that all black just really, again, I wanted to show you guys how vibrant these shoes are, and I think that again these just pop when you're wearing just those subtle colors, especially when you want people to stare at your feet. And I definitely got some stares when I was rocking these.
Across your bed, and now your mouth can say all the things that made your stomach turn today. It's too cold to reface expressions that mean nothing. Dip your sadness in this bowl till you feel mine.
So other than that, let me know, you guys, what was your favorite look out of the 3? And as always, feel free to leave me any comments on how you would style these shoes. All right, now let's get into the resale, talk about how much these retailed for. So as always, I do like to mention, if you can cop grade school, do it. You're gonna save a ton of money on these. So these retailed for $140, which is a killer savings compared to how much these would run if they were adults. As far as the resale goes, this is a good time to get these if you didn't already, because they are going for below retail across the board unless you're around a size 3.5 to 4.5. Those are going a little bit above the current retail of $140. All right, you guys, thanks again so much for tuning into my channel, ShadeTV. If you're new, hit that subscribe button. Welcome to the channel. As well as for those of you who are part of this Shade Crew community, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and leave your comments and questions, as well as hit that notification bell, as we do have a ton of up and coming videos that I do not want you to miss. All right, you guys, my name is Marissa Hill. This is ShadeTV. We will catch you on the next video.